Hi, I'm Chef RedBeard, and today we're playing with tomatoes. You see these in the grocery store, they're next to the packaged tomatoes or the loose tomatoes, vine ripened, the beefsteak, the Roma tomatoes. You wonder why these are so expensive and the price is astronomical. It's in the grocery store. If you find them in the farmer's market, they might be much cheaper and have a little bit more history than just your typical average nightshade or tomato. Tomatoes in a nightshade family. This is a green heirloom tomato. Of what varietal, I couldn't specifically tell you because the history is so rich, but I have a few of them, and today we're gonna be making a salad that is absolutely delicious. In a large bowl, I have 3 different types of heirloom tomatoes. That lovely green that you saw, a nice juicy red, this beautiful yellow. So I just cut these into nice thick chunks because we're going to make a dressing, and that dressing is going to add some fat and some flavor, and we kind of want to coat the tomato, not turn it to a mush. This is a salad that eats as a substantial meal in itself. So I cut the tomatoes a little thicker. You can cut them thinner if you'd like. You can dice them and make a salsa out of this, a marinade, but this is my salad. So into a bowl, I have a half cup of extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin because I want full body flavor. We're not cooking with this, of course, so the more flavor you get from extra virgin olive oil. I have here some garlic powder and some pink Himalayan sea salt and some green onions, the tops and the bottoms of the green onion. I love the white near the root of the green onion. That adds a nice springy green onion flavor. Some allium to the party. And I have some curly parsley that I'm going to add. Those are the 2 herbs that I will add to the actual salad dressing that we're making in the bowl. The other herbs I will leave out for garnish once we plate and tear because they're so delicate. You don't want to wilt those. So I'm just gonna give this a nice toss. The salt, you can feel the abrasion with the spoon up against the tomatoes. You can start to smell it. It's really starting to perfume. This is gonna be outstanding. Here. Just gonna plate these beautiful summer tomatoes from the farmer's market. Again, if you're growing tomatoes in your garden, you see that they're on sale. This is a lovely salad that will travel to the beach, to the office, to a potluck. It's gorgeous, right? Let's get that dressing. You can do this a few hours in advance. You can do this the day before you have a big party or gathering and get together. It'll be that much better. Now, for some fun, tomatoes and oregano. You think classic Italian pasta sauce. A little goes a long way, so here I have some plucked oregano leaves that I'm just gonna fall from the sky. And next I have some small flowerets of thyme. These are just the top pieces of the thyme. They still have the little flower bulbs on it for some color and some extra floral flavor. And lastly, tomatoes and basil. I have these nice basil leaves, again from the farmer's market or your garden. Just tear these right on top. You don't need to cut these. Cutting them will bruise and make them mushy. You just want to literally tear them right before service. And you have this wonderful herb and tomato salad. So here we have heirloom tomatoes with fresh herbs from the garden or farmer's market. This is another quick and easy summer salad. If you like this video and like to see more, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Click the little bell icon in the corner. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them on the page under these videos. We would like to get some feedback from you guys to see more videos that you would like. www.dherbs.com/chefredbeard.